Hi, this is JP down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Troy Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this beautiful 2017 Volkswagen Passat SE with tech. This front-wheel drive sedan comes with a 1.8-liter TSI turbocharged engine with a 6-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission with driver-selectable modes. You get front and rear anti-roll bars with gas pressurized shock absorbers, ABS and driveline traction control, blind spot monitor with sensors, front assist with autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert with backup camera and park pilot front and rear parking sensors, radio with aux and USB input, Bluetooth connectivity and navigation system, adaptive cruise control. You get 23 miles per gallon in the city, 34 miles per gallon on the highway, heated leathered seats, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.